What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video, guys. Hey, do me a favor. If you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, I appreciate if you jump down below, comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Y'all can see, man, I'm in the truck right now. I'm pulling up to Ace Hardware. Guys, I will be putting this back bumper on today. Y'all can see I done pulled up to Ace, guys. So we about to get up in here and see if we can finally see a little screw, man. Y'all sit tight, I'll cut y'all back on in a hot second. I done made it to the aisle where there's all the screws. So I most definitely know I should be able to find this here one. Yeah, guys, man, I just looked at my post that I did in reference to the bumper when I first got the bumper, guys. That actually was 8 months ago. So, you know, it was long overdue for me to actually put this bumper on today, guys. But let me see if I can find these screws, and I'll cut y'all right back on.
A few moments later.
I got the screws, so it's time for the project. So we done got everything we needed. And as y'all can see, towards the back, my little, the wire from the light, I will be addressing that as well. Got the roof, it's on tilt today. Well, yeah, guys, so I see y'all when I make it to the crib. I still got to figure out how I'm gonna go about getting that back tip cut. But I think I'll probably pull up on my guys that stalled mufflers. See if he'll just chop it off for me. Alright, y'all. So I got the bumper out. So y'all can see, I kind of got it flipped over. So I can put these tips in. But as y'all can see, right there, that's pretty much where the bolt's gonna go. So we're gonna put these tips in, and I'm gonna cut you guys back on. So I done got this here one all tightened down. You can see the two screws right there. Those are 6mm, as well as this one over here. And now they're pretty much on. But like I said about this side, as y'all can see, I got the two on this side, but this side is missing this little thread metal piece. It's a little clip. So like I said, when I take off the other bumper, I'm gonna see if I got one on that one. And if I don't, then I just head back to Ace Hardware and see if I can find one. But other than that, guys, the tip's pretty much on. And I'm gonna flip her over and give y'all a look. So I done put them on. For this little piece right here, I don't know why I do that there. But yeah, they on. Like I said, I don't know why the ends pretty much like that, but I think once I put the bumper on my truck, it's gonna close in. But yeah, y'all can see it, man. We got the dual bumper. I'm gonna bring y'all over here so y'all can kind of see the difference. And when I actually pull it off, I'm gonna place them side by side so y'all can really get a full image of what I'm talking about, speaking in reference to. And like I said, guys, with this bumper, it will delete the your spare tire. But I'm rolling on 26s, so ain't too much worrying about the spare tire. But yeah, so I'm start pulling off this hip bumper, guys, and I'll cut y'all back on. But as y'all can see, you can clearly see the difference. You know, we had them cutouts right there on each side. So man, y'all give me a couple of more minutes. Let me get this here one off. Now, like I said, I'll do a comparison, and then I'll put the other one on. But jump down into the comments. Y'all let me know so far. Is y'all feeling it or not, guys? And like I said, man, one of my subs actually hit me. Sorry, man, I can't think of your name right now, bro. But yeah, shout out to him, man. He hit me, guys, and I went and got it. And man, sometime in the future, I will be plugging these here. I seen on Amazon they sell like the little sensors. I know, I should have ordered it before I put it on. But guys, I've been having this bumper 8-9 months now. And every video that I make, in my closing, I always say, you know, next video I was doing the bumper. So, yeah, y'all just bear with it, man. But like I said, man, I'm about to take this hip bumper off, and I'm gonna do a little comparison. I'm gonna do it side by side so y'all can actually see, you know, the factory bumper versus the dual Escalade bumper. Alright, guys, so I done got the bumper took off, and like I told y'all, I was gonna do like a comparison so y'all can actually see the difference. But up front, I have the platinum bumper, and back, I have the factory, the OEM bumper. As y'all can see, y'all see the cutouts. One that this one don't have. I'm gonna turn y'all around. I done took it all off the truck. And what I'm gonna do, while I got the bump off, I'm about to put the other one on. I'm gonna zip tie these here wires. I'm gonna zip tie these wires for the lights. But this side was dangling. Other than that, we're gonna put it back the same way we took it off. Then I'm gonna go holler at my boy at Stars and have him chop this muffler. I mean, this tip, guys. Excuse me. But yeah, that's what it is. So, man, let me put it back together, and I'll turn you guys right back on. And one more thing. Y'all see this mat? I have to transfer this here mat over here. So I'll be showing y'all that as well, guys. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned. Let me start to put this other bumper on there, guys. So as y'all can see, I done swapped that back bumper. Y'all jump into the comments. Comment what y'all think, guys. Like I said, I still have to get another screw for this side. But what y'all think? Me personally, man, that thing look good. I can't wait till I go cut this other tip. But other than that, guys, all I got left to do is pretty much clean this here off and put this here on. So let me get started on this here. And I don't know why I didn't put it on there before I actually put the bump on, guys. Probably just a little bit happy to put the bump on. But yeah, like I said, let me get this here back pad. Put this here on there, and I'll cut y'all back on. But if you liking what you're saying so far, y'all make sure, man, y'all hit that thumbs up. Jump down into the comments. And like I said, this here one, I'm gonna go get this here cut off. We're gonna cut that tip off. What y'all think, guys? And like I said, you know, I had that bumper 8 months, 9 months. I just been procrastinating. You know, every video I made, guys, I said at the end of the video, I will be doing that bumper. But we got her today. What y'all think, guys? Well, let me go ahead on and take this mat. Take this here mat off of here and put it over there. And I'll cut y'all back on with the finishing product, the finishing look, man. And a quick little video for those of y'all that don't know how to take this here little rubber piece off. God, it just flexes back. You just pull it back from here. Pull it down, pull it out. Let me figure out how to take this back piece off, and I'll cut y'all right back on. Pull the thing back, and it's that simple. Last one. Y'all can see, just like that, guy. We got it up out of there. We didn't break no clips. Like I say, the front ones, you're gonna push in. The back ones, you're just gonna push it till they hit the tab. Now I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna do the same process. On here, it should just slide in, guys. It should just be able to slide in and pop it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all make sure all the tabs lined up so you don't break anything. Most importantly, you know, it all should just fall in place. Hold up, y'all. For some reason, it's not sitting this flush. Let me see this. So y'all can see, it's not sitting how I want it to sit, guys. So, give me a second. Let me figure something out. Alright, guys, so I done finished, man. I done finished everything, got it all buttoned up. I done took this shit off my other truck, off the other bumper, and put it on. But I don't know, guys. For some reason, y'all can see the clips. It's not actually clipping. And I don't know, man, somebody, whoever actually had this bumper and had to change this here piece as well, man. Y'all jump down into the comments, leave me a comment, let me know what I'm doing wrong, guys, or what I did wrong, or do this even must fit, or what I have to actually get the one that come off the Escalade, guys. Cause I can see, man, the tabs really don't want to go down. So y'all jump in the comments, leave me a comment, guys. I was thinking to go this way. You know, I even try to pull it out and do the back tabs first. But for some reason, it still had that little thing. But let me set y'all right here. As a matter of fact, I'll cut y'all back on in a second to show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. All right, y'all. So this is the finished product. And like I told y'all, so yeah. So right now what I'm gonna do, guys, man, I'm gonna try to go and see if I can catch my little muffler shot and see if he'll be able to chop that pipe off. But anyway, y'all, this is the 2013 PPV with the back bumper. Y'all jump into the comments, man. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. Do y'all like it? I like it, y'all. I just can't wait till I put the drop on it. I think that's gonna set it off. Once I put the drop on it. And she a little dirty right now. But I'm about to go over here to my little car wash and just skeet it down real quick. And after I skeet it down, I'll give y'all my little last walk around. Got it all washed up. What y'all think? And like I say, as far as this here one, I just have to get that that pipe cut. But what y'all think, guys? Y'all comment below what y'all think. I think she ready for that drop. Yeah, guys, I think she ready for that drop. What y'all think, man? Quick little thumbnail. What y'all think, guys? Fog lights. I will be getting those. Just trying to think of what kind that I want. Like I told y'all, that bow tie, I will be snagging that clean off of there, guys. For right now, just give y'all a little walk around. Y'all make sure y'all jump in the comments. What y'all think? I think give it a nice aggressive look. Yeah, man, long overdue. You know, long anticipated, man. And finally here. Just looking at it from this corner, guy. Sheesh. That's pressure. That's pressure. Now I can't wait till I get the true dudes actually ran to finish it off. For right now, that's pressure. I don't know another Tahoe in the city. You heard me? They looking like it, man. Oh, them not the Escalade lights for my new build. Oh, them not the Escalade lights, guys. Yeah. So y'all make sure, man, y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. My battery about to die. And I'm about to log out, finish this vlog. But anyway, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, logging on, signing out. Y'all know positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. We gone.